As you can see, I have an empty cup. Now prepare to be amazed as I make this marble disappear. The secret here is easy. You just prepare the cup ahead of time by cutting a hole into it. Use a pen to poke a hole at the bottom of the cup, then use scissors to make it bigger. You want the hole to be about the size of a quarter. An adult or older brother or sister can help with this part. Next, cut a piece of paper the same color as the bottom of the cup to cover the hole. Tape it over the hole so it covers it completely, but only put tape on one side so it can open and close, just like a hinge. When you do the trick, drop the marble into the cup and through the hole. Just practice catching it in your palm and holding it against the cup so it doesn't fall when you flip it over.